Hi everyone, my name is Megan. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a video which I'm so excited for. As always, I'm going to be reviewing my Voxbox, which I got from Influenster. Now, if you don't know what a Voxbox is, it is from this program called Influenster, where you can get free products in exchange for reviewing like items around your house or makeup products, and it is really cool. And I just got my first Voxbox recently, and I'm so excited to try it out. I think you guys should really join this program. It's like you just get free stuff for reviewing things. I promise this is not sponsored by Influenster. I just wanted to get y'all connected with some free stuff because COVID is hard and we all deserve free things. So without further ado, here is the box that I received in the mail. Oh my goodness, it's huge. Like, I was not expecting something this big. It has 4 products inside, which I'll be trying out today. I think this will kind of be like a full face like review with me because it has foundation, concealer, setting powder, and oh my god, why can I not do that? It has foundation, concealer, setting powder, and a new beauty blender. So I think we should try this out together. All right. Oh, I don't want to break into it. Oh well. Opening it up. Woo. So the first thing I see is this little thing that says, "Oh, hi beauty, you've been chosen to try the latest Beauty Blender goodies. Introducing Beauty Blender BioPure, plant-based foam beautiful blend." When you do sign up for Influencer and receive a box, you have to review all the products inside on various sites. So after this is done, I'll have to review it on Influencer, their site, and I'll have to also review this on Sephora, and I have to upload an Instagram post talking about it. So there are some like things you have to do to get free stuff, but I still think it's pretty cool. Okay, well, let's take a look at the products. Oh my goodness. Okay, the first thing I see is this adorable beauty blender. Oh my goodness. It says it is a beauty blender BioPure. It is 60% plant-based and it was made in the US. It's vegan. I love this. I think that is pretty cool that it's vegan and made in the US. Don't know where these other products are. I try to shop as sustainably as possible, but that looks pretty cool. So cute, little canister thingy. Next, we've got this Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundation. Oh my gosh, this is the ones where you like, I think you guys have probably seen this on Instagram or somewhere else. You like squeeze it and it looks really cool. Of course you squeeze it, that's how you get foundation out. Anyway, I'm really excited about this. Next, we've got the Bounce Powder Soft Focus Gemstone Setting Powder right here. This looks really cool. And then lastly, we have the Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer. I really hope these shades match me because I got these online, and so I don't know if it's gonna be the right shade, which would suck if it wasn't. Oh my god. Whatever, we're gonna work with it. Oh my god, why can't I not get this package open? Okay, this is the Bounce Setting Powder. Ooh, that looks cool. This looks pretty nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, got some instructions. I will be needing those. If you guys don't know, I'm pretty new to makeup, so this is not really like a beauty guru review. This is just a review from a regular person who likes to play around with makeup from time to time. This will also be the first time in a while that I put on a full face. I've never actually worn foundation, so this will be my first time ever putting on foundation. I think the last time I put on a full face of makeup was before the pandemic, so it's been a while. Oh my gosh, this is such cute packaging. Oh, that is so cute. The pink, oh my goodness. Okay, this looks cool. I really hope this works for me. Let's see. Oh, that's a different applicator than I was expecting. Okay, cool. And then the foundation. Also, I don't know if these products have even been released yet, so if you want to get like products that haven't even been released yet, like, you definitely got to sign up for Influencer. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh, this is the one I'm most excited about. What? That is so cool. Oh my goodness. And then last, we've got the Beauty Blender. This packaging is adorable. Oh, look No, I need a new beauty blender. I'll show you guys what my 2-year-old beauty blender that's only been washed once looks like. Pretty gross and grody compared to this cute thing. I'm very excited. Okay, so the instructions in my box tell me that I need to wet the beauty blender and it will expand to twice its size and then we can use it. So I washed it a little bit so it looks a bit bigger. Hopefully that will help my technique. I don't know. Okay, well, before we get started, I'm going to go in with my No Pore Problem Primer because, as Nikki Tutorial said, not to prime. Wait, no, I totally screwed that up. She says not to prime is a crime. Dang, apparently I'm not a true fan. I'm really nervous, you guys. I've never even put on foundation before. This is probably not even the right way to put on primer. All y'all probably screaming at me from behind the screen for my makeup techniques. Oh well. I literally I don't wear a lot of makeup. I never wear a full face. Usually I just wear mascara and eyebrow stuff and maybe some eyeshadow. Obviously I don't need blush because my skin looks like this. So, all right. So in the instructions for the foundation, which is this one, it says, hold the bottle at a 45-degree angle and dispense foundation into the reservoir to create a surface for mixing or pumping directly onto your sponge or skin. Then use a damp beauty blender sponge to blend out foundation, building coverage as desired. Oh my god, this looks kind of complicated. There's like the switch on the back. Is anything gonna come out? Oh! Oh, it's coming out. Oh gosh. Okay. It looks so weird. Oh god. Okay. Looks a little R-rated. Okay, now I'm going in with my beauty blender. And I guess I just put it on my face. Alrighty, y'all. I blended it out. And I must say, it is a little white on me, but I think it matches my skin tone pretty well. I think this is turning out to be a pretty good foundation. It's relatively sheer, like you can still see some pimples and like red areas, you know, my red cheeks. But I like it. It blended out pretty well, especially once you wet this thing. This thing expanded so much. It reminded me of those like, those grow things that you used to get at the dollar store. Like, if you're a 2000s kid, you know what I'm talking about. But I used to get these, like, I'll insert a picture here. These, like, those grow things where you put them in water and they, like, grow. And then you can have, like, a pet dinosaur or whatever. Anyway, I like this. I've never seen myself without foundation, on. This looks so bizarre. I look very, like, washed out in white. But I think that this matched pretty well. It covers up like the red spots and pimples on my face. And it blended pretty nicely. I would definitely recommend this. This is a pretty sweet foundation. Again, this is the Bounce Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundation by Beauty Blender.
Hi guys, this is Editing Me. I just wanted to add that this Beauty Blender foundation has actually been kind of problematic. And I didn't realize it when I was filming this. It has like very limited shade range for people with darker skin, and I would take that into consideration when you're buying this product, or like if you're thinking about whether you want to support a company that doesn't have a big shade range in their foundations. It isn't very inclusive to BIPOC people, so I'm really sorry I did not realize that before filming it, and it definitely brings down my opinion on the foundation.
I will put the price up on the screen so that you can see what I'm getting for free and what you would get it in the store. Okay, wow, the foundation, yeah, this was a steal. Now that we've got foundation done, let's go in with our concealer stick. Wait, when do you put on setting powder? After concealer, okay. Clearly not a makeup genius. Oh my god, I love this packaging. That is so sweet. Oh, all right, let's see how well this works. This is the Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer. Going in with the same beauty blender. Okay, concealer under my eyes is done. It looks about the same. Yeah, I think the concealer was nice. It blended really nicely. It wasn't very patchy. One thing I do notice is you can't really see it here, but like, the makeup kind of like attaches to my skin a little bit, so you can tell I'm wearing kind of like, it looks a little bumpy, a little patchy if you look in the mirror. So you can tell I'm wearing makeup. However, I think that's just a me problem. I don't know how to fix it. I'm sure beauty gurus would know. I usually use the Revolution Conceal and Define stick for concealer. Let's compare the shades. So this shade on the left is the Beauty Guru one, and this one on the right is the Conceal and Define one. Honestly, I think I'm liking this one more. Okay, now let's go in and do the spots that need a bit more help. I look like one of those middle school girls who show up with all the dots on their face at a football game. I've never actually even been to a football game, y'all. How sad. All right, my neighbor is right outside my window and I don't want him to see me, so that's why I'm leaning over like this. Now that I look very, very pale, my lips have basically disappeared. I think this concealer turned out nicely. It hid like some of my pimples around here relatively well. Again, like in this area, for some reason, it looks a little more patchy. I don't know if you can tell on the screen. That may just be user error on my part, but I'm liking this concealer. Again, this is the Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer. Also guys, just a reminder, I'm not getting paid by Beauty Blender to give this review. I'm not getting paid by Influenster to give this review. This is just my unfiltered review of these products. Okay, I look really, really pale, so I'm going to go in with the Bounce Powder Soft Focus Gemstone Setting Powder, which is this one. Da, 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 da. Woo. This packaging is really, really cute. I'm liking Beauty Blender a lot. All these products have been really nice so far, you guys. Depending on how the price is, I would recommend you get these. I'm having a lot of fun. That just sprayed everywhere. Okay, let's try this. I don't want to tip it out, but this is what the top looks like. It's got like the netting and the mesh. Okay, so I'm just going to, I honestly have no clue how to use setting powder. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip my Beauty Blender in it. Ooh, it's squishy. Here we go, and just put this on. I think this is what you do. And then do I blend it? I have no clue what I'm doing here. I'm liking this. The like top applicator thing, it doesn't put up so much product that you get a ton off on your Beauty Blender. Compared to like other setting powders I've tried. It just has like a little bit of product on the top, but it's not like gonna explode everywhere if you pick some up. Alrighty, setting powder is on. I mean, it went on fine. It blended out really nicely. Honestly, I don't really know how to use setting powder, but like all the other products, I'm really liking this one so far, you guys. Alright, so that is the setting powder, concealer, foundation, and Beauty Blender. That is all of them on. Now I'm just going to finish out my makeup, and then I'll give you guys some final thoughts and talk to you a little bit more about Influenster and how you sign up. Okay guys, well, this is my makeup look all complete. As for reviewing of the 4 products, the foundation, the setting powder, the concealer, and the Beauty Blender, I really like all of them. I would highly recommend them to you guys to go check out. My one complaint is that on my forehead, I don't know if you can see, the foundation and concealer is kind of patchy. That may be because of my skin texture. I have acne up here and like bumpy skin texture there, and so if you look in the mirror you can see it, but it looks pretty patchy, which is kind of disappointing. I've always run into that problem with concealers and foundations, but beside that, I would recommend these products. If you're interested in joining Influenster, I will put that link down below so you can go check out their program. All you have to do is sign up and start reviewing products. In general, the more products you review and the more active you are on your account, the more likely you are to get a Voxbox. which in my case was this beautiful beauty blender box. They will send you emails saying, hey, you qualify for this campaign, make sure you sign up, blah 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 blah, and then you can apply for a Voxbox. Yeah, you have to be pretty active to get an influencer thing, but I mean, I've only done about maybe 10 reviews and I got a Voxbox already, so I would highly recommend this program, guys. I think it is a lot better than other freebie programs that you may join. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like the finished look. Let me know if you have any video suggestions, put them below in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.